All right, look at that. The snow is up to my knee. Look at that. You see that thing? This is not shovel, so it's up to my knee. So we're gonna, I gotta clean this thing. It's up to my knee. Look at that. Hooey. Here we go. We're gonna break the snow over here and put it in the middle. We're gonna find some gold. There we go. We got space already. All we're gonna do is just break it in. Right? There we go. It's up on my wheel. There we go. We're gonna break it down first. We're on the mountain at McMansion. We live here and we feel rich. Right? McMansion. There we go. Where's my savior? Alright, probably he's taking a break. Here we go. Dig in. That thing is. Oh my God. I can sit down over here. Alright, grumpy old man. The snow is still coming. Here we go. That's my savior right there. That's the thing. That's the thing. See, that's the good things living in McMansion. 24/7, they clean it. Huh? We live here and we feel rich. McMansion. Alright, here we go. I gotta concentrate. I talk a lot.